Wait, my set is falling apart.
All right, the set is falling apart over there, and Krzysztof and I are going to show a stunt trick. Krzysztof, that was it. We prepared for this too. We prepared. Today we're going to eat burgers. Pizzas are out. Other comparisons are out. And I think that's a cool direction too. From time to time to do what's worth it, what's not worth spending on, and so on.
Of course.
What's important is that we don't close our eyes because we figured that you also eat with your eyes. We don't see any brands there and we don't know those brands. And we can tell if there's a cucumber or not, and so on and so on.
On every package, and we'll do it according to that, according to the instructions, it's written. Instructions are often given for both microwave and stove, but not all have stove directions, so we chose to make all of them only in the microwave.
Step number 2, you buy 2 and put one in the air fryer and the other in the microwave.
Listen, let us know in the comments if you want an episode where we make one really big one in a pan, another one fried or baked, or one in the air fryer and another in the microwave. Will they be very different?
Will they? No, I'm already dreaming about it.
Did you talk? There's too much talking. We need to act.
No.
Because the first batch is going into the microwave oven. But I'm excited, I'm curious myself.
And there are 2 others, but they look identical. You know what gives me a McDonald's vibe? The cheese is good, but not like that. Probably not the rectangular one.
There's nothing there.
No, bro, that's exactly like me.
We always follow the only law of good. It smells nice. Nothing to complain about. The cheese is stretchy.
And a thick crust. The meat, I think.
That it's synthetic, that it's station style.
Here the meat dominates, but it's kind of like pâté.
In my opinion, and a bit oniony. No, there's a huge advantage to heating burgers in the microwave because the bun gets steamed.
It didn't really blow me away.
For me, nothing special. I could make a better casserole with ham and cheese, not exactly, but ham would give it that flavor, and yellow cheese would add more quality than that meat. Not that it's good quality, just no, you can't taste anything. It's bland.
This one smells the same, really exactly the same. And here I can taste the cheese more.
I wanted to say that here the cheese is better. I mean, for me, it's good that I can taste the cheese. It's the same, but the cheese is better.
Damn, a train station from the 90s.
Yes, exactly.
But back then, our viewers were their parents.
So not much. Meat in Mizia.
They're not from the same producer, not MHM, and the cheese here is kind of better quality. Yes.
Artur, I think we're choosing, based on what we said together, number 7.
These aren't like, wow, a burger for 20 zlotys. It's not that, and so...
Now the next one is coming.
Yes.
It's already here, listen.
I'm getting you started, so don't mind that everything looks very similar. Please, start slowly, so that when you...
Take care of it.
Cheese blue.
What are you saying, cheese and blue?
A bit lighter.
Probably thicker meat.
Yeah, they're the bulldogs among burgers.
All right, it went under the knife nicely. Yeah, it really got going.
But tell me, not every burger will have vegetables.
Hey, I'm confused about everything now. Just relax.
Relax you.
I'll tell you this. I took the 8 in my hand, all right? And it's really nice.
Wait, I'm not implying anything to you, no?
No, but that's how I feel it in my hand. Not good. So I started with the buziaka. I'll start with the buziaka.
From this buzieczka. Hey, that's already the smell of meat, damn.
Yeah, a large ratio of meat to the rest of the contents.
Listen, the bun for me is a bit, what bothers me is that in burgers there's no flavor. Nothing really stands out.
Like, the spices.
But,
You know what's the best part? That it kind of clogs you up like this?
it's kind of,
When I was eating it, it clogged me up.
Damn, I feel like I'm in a maze with these burgers, but for now I can't get out. I think that the number 7 we had before, the cheese was better, more important.
No, there's nothing here. The dryness bothers me. Not like that. This one is again from the thicker category. And the cheese.
The meat here is springy.
Damn, I can't keep up with saying it. It's like a little trampoline. Different. But I prefer the dry one. I don't like springy meat. They're all the same note. Well, it's all the same. It's just a matter of whether someone has a recipe. Maybe they add 4 grams of something more.
Although the taste is a bit different. I don't know why. Maybe because the next burgers are already too dry for me?
And that's the case with both of them.
Well, yeah, it's not like I drank anything. So for me, kangaroo meat chumps, that's it, Lichte.
And can you tell what kind of meat it is in the first batch of burgers, in the second batch of burgers? No.
But it was already something different.
You can tell the difference.
Just pork,
Were there any other meats here?
Yes, the first one was pork and the second one is poultry.
So this is poultry. Now I'll stick with number 7.
I'll stay 2.
So number 7 won out of all of them. Listen, the next burger is coming in, but this time it's a bit fancier because it's wrapped in parchment paper.
Here, it's a completely different cheese.
Here it's cheddar.
Yeah, it looks like cheddar. Ooh, look, and here the sauce is already ready. Ooh. But look, the cutlet looks kind of Kraft, a bit crooked, but it doesn't look like a regular ground meat patty, though they're kind of faking it a bit. Look how little of the bun it fills, really little.
Do you feel like someone made this by hand for you?
Oh, hey, but there's a lot of this here too.
But this one is better and shorter.
Oh, damn, oh.
How much mustard they loaded.
Oh, but here's chicken. This is bolus.
Listen, because now it's about to get wild.
Oh no, I thought we would be doing the paper ones all the time, but here there are real players.
Jesus, cucumber and onion. Well, unfortunately, it's not my choice because of the barbecue sauce.
Well, I don't like the taste.
It's a weak sauce, but when I bite a piece without meat, and now I don't know, write whatever you want. It's not just one burger place that has this kind of meat. It's simply meat. It's made meat, not some kind of processed stuff. I mean, well, it's ground meat, but it has the vibe of real meat.
It's got a nice structure, like, you know, those big pans. Someone flipped it and held it like that and tossed it in.
It's just that the previous ones tasted like some mush that was supposed to imitate meat. And here, it's like nothing was done to it, just meat.
It's a better burger than those, but the taste doesn't blow me away. Damn.
Okay, so now the question is, because you can tell it's better from the ingredients, but would you buy it? No, I wouldn't buy it either. All right, and now, let's say at the same price, because that's important, you have this number 7 and the one you usually buy. I'll take that one too, because
it has some kind of aroma that makes...
well, this barbecue, no, we don't like the barbecue flavor. I think you do though.
No.
But it smells nice, but the chicken is big, right?
Yeah, better.
Okay, for me it's plastic.
Yeah.
Artificial cheese, melted ketchup, some kind of sweet sauce. I mean, it's definitely better quality because this chicken looks really nice to the eye. So to avoid suggesting anything, we'll point with our finger on 3-4 and we'll stick with 3-4. So that was 3-4.
I would say Arthur.
Well then bite, you could say that, we can still bite. No, like if they hit from here. Barbecue sauce, now that's a real burger. I'll highlight it, I'll leave it here. I just don't like the sauce.
Yeah, so I'm saying there are flavors there that are tasty, but it's really fine.
Honestly, it's pointless for me to add the sauce. They could have done it themselves.
Yeah, I would squeeze it myself.
When I make barbecue, Magdalena won't eat it since she doesn't like it.
So we won't take it either because we're making barbecue. Add it like this.
That's how it is.
Well then give it.
I'll give it to her. Chicken wins.
Well,
No.
there will be more cheese. Yeah, because there's a lot of cheese, but I'm not really a fan of it. You know, the sliced kind, that's fine. Let's move on to the next burger. Are you eating anything at all? You're so skinny. They're interesting. For a moment with a bit of...
Yeah, there's a pillow somewhere over there.
I thought it was ham staring at me.
No, that's Sebulu.
But it has a vibe, like it's looking here at this Big Mac.
Oh.
A lot of cheese. Again, real meat.
Meat and...
I guess they didn't mess it up here.
I'll be honest, why do they use just one bun? I'd choose a buttery bun with sauce for a burger like this. You know what I mean?
No, and the other one. Ooh, oh.
You see, here's this other bun. Ooh.
Hey, 2 kinds of cheese. What's going on here? It's missing. Hey.
It's missing, but sort of like a Kraft one, though not really crafted.
Yeah, with those Kraft ones. The thing is, they're not really how we want, like all over the bun.
Yeah.
But it's just, oh, but here it's spilled. Ooh, okay, this is gonna be a tough fight. Let's give it a 3-3.
Oh no, well, it smells nice.
What a surprise. Hmm?
The black ones are down.
But such wet meat I see.
Wow, everything's coming off and only a little sauce escaped. Tastes like a Big Mac.
Nice and cold. The onion complements it. The meat is a bit wet.
Here the meat really tastes like meat. Someone took it, pressed it down, bam, flattened it, threw it on. Oh yeah.
You charmed me, burger. You really caught my eye. Don't mess it up. It gives me the vibe of a real, authentic burger.
Well, it's like from a burger joint, not the best one, but definitely not the worst. All right, what's going on here? Full-on mayonnaise, but with better ones. The breading is definitely good, but there's too much mayonnaise. It's drenched in mayonnaise, plus the breading gets soggy. Because this one doesn't have breading, nothing happens to it. Krzychu, Not like that. Krzychu, we need to remember this bite differently.
It's the second best today, just so you know. Really good.
And you cut it, we know.
Listen, we're using the microphone. Yeah, we're taking that too.
Is number 3?
3, Almato good.
But honestly, because I didn't think we would reach this level of closeness too.
Yes, he made a stunning impression on me. I'm enchanted. He took me under his wing.
I can't believe it, but from the microwave. Well, is that also, Archer, your favorite?
That one of yours, the one you chose, pork beef? Yes, for now it's beef.
Beef, yes, that's good. That's why it tasted like from a burger. Hey, the one from you?
Take it.
Pick it up.
They're sawing, and when I look, it's just rubble.
Look, they packed it upside down.
And already that eggy McDonald's
But it's going to swell up. Oh, damn.
mustard, and what else? There's mustard.
And some sushi stuff. Yeah, a bun.
It doesn't look normal. It's a thicker burger, and this one, hey, have you seen this one already? It's also from the chicken series.
Yeah, because chickens, I guess, hate pepper, but they added pepper. Whoops, buddy.
Hey, this one smells like a burger too. Damn, it really gives me a questionable vibe.
And you know what it tastes like? Not like from a store, like from a burger joint that won't last more than 3 months. No, so it's not like that minced stuff. It's more like someone who has no clue what they're doing. And they're making burgers.
They even throw in some cabbage to kill the taste, and they didn't add any salt either. Yeah, it's just bland.
The number of ingredients shows someone added to the price without fully doing their homework.
Speaking of this bun, because I wanted to say, you know, these milk buns, it's like, you know, it has that kind of texture, I think.
But it totally doesn't work for me. The onion for the chicken has no flavor.
The onion is boiled.
No, steamed like this. Well, here. Oh, yes, well, that's it. Come on, Archer, try this.
Still a youngster, burger style.
This is the guy who always goes on a trip, but when it's time to pay, he didn't pay. No.
Like, yeah, exactly, I'm going, but come on, no.
This is beef, but I wouldn't say it's beef.
No, because I would say that's why they put some pork in. And no.
No, I'd be happy to.
Ah, that spicy old guy. Oh, yeah.
Wow, that spicy one really stays in your mouth.
Damn, did I inhale something bad? Well, what we're talking about, it's not about inhaling something like that.
Artur, the place is shutting down in 2 months.
Onion, well, that's for the ladies. Well, that's better.
Oh, that's better? Yes, yes.
For instance, that one was a 3.
No. Hey, was that 10? Well, here's another one.
Yes.
Is it some kind of magic one? Then give it here.
This one is already a loner. Will it win against the 3 or not?
Hey, but the bun, they're all the same. All of them, all have the same bun.
But it smells like sauce. Barbitco, unfortunately.
What are you talking about? Hey, but this...
Hey, pulled beef. Oh.
Man, you were arrogant, but let me tell you this. Oh.
Hey, the smell is good.
If I ate the whole thing, I'd feel a bit sick. The product is good for 1 bite. It's too much for me. I don't know if it's too greasy, but it is. Oh, well.
An overwhelming taste, just like a...
Torcoa, yeah, but it suppresses the taste.
They just wanted to season it too much. It had good potential. But it broke down.
But I'll tell you, damn, it's not bad. I'm not saying it's better than the 3rd one. I won't say that, but it's different. Kind of soft. You don't bite into it like a cutlet. You feel like it's rubbery.
It tastes like it's sauce, meat, roux, everything at once.
It's just too intense. It overwhelms with flavor. Subtitling start.
I have to admit, you're clearly doing well.
Time for a summary.
We took a short break to clean up and have a drink, and that's how I ended up with some extra calories.
And you know, I grouped it. I'm not stuffing my belly.
Seriously, hey, I actually got flushed?
Yeah, you, everywhere, even on your forehead.
That was our Bravo, damn. Well, that's not it.
Well, I have it, yeah, hey.
It looks good. Selected cheddar cheese.
Pickled cucumber, pickled red onion with onion burger sauce.
Maybe this sauce works too, you know?
And with whom? This whole burger has only 406 calories, 406.
That's good.
Elegant.
So where can you buy it in Lidl?
Listen.
Cook it however you like, microwave, air fryer, or oven. So they actually suggest the air fryer, quick and crispy, just put it in the air fryer.
Jesus would definitely do it better. He would definitely make it a bit crispier, yeah, but the bun would still stay soft. Because the first batch you ate, those were just the regular basics, right? Okay, and these are the premium ones. Actually, I only found one in Lidl, and now I don't know if there was just one, because in Biedronka we have 3. From this company, I mean not company, but Jemmy, this Jemmy, right? Well, you tried them, and I guess you didn't really like any of them. You kind of compared this one, Claimer, to a Big Mac too, because it was similar to that for you, yeah.
Okay,
But unfortunately, this one was with barbecue, this one.
who makes that one?
Kozie głowy poultry plant.
Zoo Company, Piaskowa Street, 362028, Kozie Głowy.
Is it the same for you too?
That's what I said, same brand.
And I kept talking and look,
Other stores, and this one,
and I said no.
but you can feel it. Meat on the tongue and
Actually,
Because it even had that kind of shape.
that one over there was good too. It's just that the sauce ruined it.
so the same brand makes it for Lidl as for Biedronka. Great product, yeah, that one, it's really cool that it turned out we're eating the same product because you could really taste it. Just the sauce could be separate.
And my big disappointment are the 3 burgers. From Żabka. Those were usually in that white parchment. Yeah, and I don't think any of them worked for you as far as I remember. And now, when it comes to the price, Żabka is the most expensive because it's 10.99, what you're holding in your hand now, Claimer.
Say that it's 9 zlotys.
9.95, 10.10 is the same for this set of these little things. That's what I'll call them. Well, the P ones are also 95 too.
Yeah, 2, but for 10 zlotys you get 2, right?
And here you have one, and I would prefer this one if I want 2, please.
For sure.
Not those premium burgers from Biedronka for 8.99. So basically it's the same burger, just hidden in Biedronka, but it has that barbecue sauce. What are you talking about? And those double hammy burgers? That it's just how it smells. The same as in Lidl, so for 95, it's the same in Lidl and in Biedronka.
Nice episode. I love those videos that end with such a clear result because they say you really have to try this because first of all, we have the feeling that you'll know what's good. And secondly, you'll have some fun with our story. You'll get to know our taste. Oh,
So who would eat Klawier like that?
if they like it, then I won't listen to them anymore because that's crap. Well, for example, or if they like it, they pointed out this great one to me, so I'll listen to them more. Yes, I love it. That's it. Test it out. Write in the comments. Sorry, Martian. What else can we test?
Of course, and there's also one episode that shows one cool thing. I think almost every burger is the same. Everyone chose. With Turek, everyone stayed. So according to the 3 of us, it tastes just as good, but it's cool. Yeah, also cool.
Cool product. Take care. Write us comments about what, how, and what's next, and give some props to Arthur because he was really stressed out. Will he reheat it in the microwave like in those times? Take care.
Thank you, bye. Pushka, bye.